Welcome back to another video, guys. Today I'm going to be doing Bohemian braids finally on Maya. So I'm going to start off using our Mizzen Requisites Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner. I've been wanting to try this hairstyle for a while. I've been seeing it online, but I knew doing these type of box braids and then pulling out little pieces of strands of the hair, I knew that this was going to be a long process. But I'm finally getting to it, and I hope you guys enjoy the video, the process of me doing this hairstyle on Maya. So now I'm going to go ahead and detangle after putting the leave-in conditioner in. I did wash Maya's hair with our shampoo and conditioner line because I knew I wanted to leave this hairstyle in for at least a week. Usually her styles don't last that long just because she doesn't wear a bonnet. But I did want to go ahead and try it out and see how long they last. So right here, I'm actually doing what is called pre-parting. I did look online before starting this process of doing her hair to see the best way to do it because I'm not the best braider or even the best parter. Usually my lines are a little bit crooked when I do have to do a lot of parting. But I saw that a thing called pre-part is actually easier when you're doing box braids or a protective style that has multiple braids. So what I'm doing here is I'm actually doing sections of her hair, parting it first. That way I can work separating smaller sections of her hair when I start braiding. So what I ended up doing is 4 parts. I parted her hair, did the pre-part. I did one in the back of her head from ear to ear, and then I also did the one down the middle from the forehead to the middle. Not all the way down, just probably halfway, and that made 2 parts, one on each side. And then I also did one which is kind of by the top of the ear, a little bit towards the middle, to the other side of the ear, which gave her 4 total parts for the pre-part. So for the styling products, I am using Mizzen Requisites, our braid and twist out cream. And this cream, I love it so much because it is moisturizing as well as it's a firming cream, so it helps with taming the frizz and the flyaway whenever I'm doing one of the braids. So this cream, if you guys haven't checked it out, it's on our website, www.mizzen, which is MIYZEN.com. And it's actually infused with shea butter and avocado oil. So I love this cream, and then I'm just going to use it on each strand when I go in and I first add the cream, and then I comb it to make sure it's detangled, and then I go ahead and just start braiding. And as you can see, I pull out one piece of hair towards the middle. I only did 2 for each because I didn't want a lot. I did see some where they were pulling out 3, and it just seemed like a lot of hair was out. So I went ahead and I just did with 2 strands each. I went ahead and took out 1 towards the middle, and then I braided maybe about 4 twists, and then it ended up with taking one more out. And I did just want to add, guys, did you see that? Maya is building a headband out of her hair bows. Some hair bows in a bag, and she's building a headband out of hair bows. And it's so cute. She's so talented. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the remaining process, a little bit more of what I went through, how I did Maya's Bohemian knotless braids. And I'll show you guys halfway through as well as the end process. I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys haven't already, hit that subscribe button. If you guys want to see more video content or have questions or comments, leave that down below, and then I'll try to respond to each and every comment that I get. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video.